Hello world. This class we will study use Visual Studio 2020 to create our static library. We have studied make a static library created by Visual Studio C 6.0 and compile static library and Win 34 and 32 and 64. We also compare and link in Visual Studio C 6.0 and Visual Studio 2020. You know, the static library is very useful for build or executive file because some Windows core cannot directly through API or Windows on DLL. So we must use static library to make up our executive file or DLL and so on. This class we try to make static library on Visual Studio 2020 platform, but it's failed to create our static library, and we will delete the whole folder created by the wizard. Now let's begin. In Visual Studio C, we use menu to new. Title is new at Visual Studio 2020. You can click menu item file and click new. The menu item new contains 3 periods. That means they will launch a dialog. The method is file new project period. The accelerate key is Ctrl+Shift+N. In Visual Studio 2020, hold Ctrl and Shift, then press N. Can also launch the dialog. Create project. This project looks like Visual Studio C 6.0, but it's very, very large. The function is magnificent. The step 2 new is start to use. There are many selections. Please select create new project by move the scroll bar at the right. Click the item create new project, then next. New at all. In this page, we can see all items here. We can select, but it's difficult for us to select a special one suitable for us. So we must sort by the com box at the top of this page. Firstly, we can select the left com box. In the drop items, select C++. This selection is for select language. We can see the language contains JavaScript. JavaScript is very useful to develop our application used in website or Explorer or Internet Explorer. XAML, circle, patient, C++, and so on. So in this selection, we select language as C++. This step we have our selections easily. Okay, language we can see is not all, it's just C++. Let's go. In the middle com box, in drop up selection, we can see many platforms, just as Android, Azure, iOS. iOS is a platform developed by Apple Corporation Limited. Linux, macOS. macOS, like Windows, is a desktop operating system used for PC, personal computer. Windows and other operating systems, so we select Windows. Okay, and platform, our platform is Windows. We didn't select other than platform. We just select Windows platform. This time is also easily our selection. Now the third step at the right combox. In drop selection, we can see many project items. We can see all project item can be selected. Please move the scroll bar to select the item. The name is library. You can see there are many selections, such as driver, office, BSSDK, web, and so on. Driver. Oh my god, we have a driver. We use WDK to develop our driver that based on WDM. Don't care, we will build our stronger drivers in future. So in this step, we select create library. OK at tab. Now we select library. In work areas, we can see there are many tabs. Then we move the scroll bar to ensure or to select the shoot for item that names static library. Is the very item that we want to select. Now select to build static library, then press the button next. In this page, you can customize yourself. So there are 5 items can be selected. The title is input, so let's input some special words which we lacked. Don't care, we just do some experiments. If you finish this page 1, please press create button to create our static library. Next page, you can see the detail is ONC64 LAVS. It's the name of the folder that contains the static library created by Visual Studio 2020, but we will delete this directory because we cannot create static library for some reasons. The second is D backslash ONC64 backslash is the location. Another is also ONC64 LAVS. Go back, let's see carefully. Now, let's go on. We can press the create button to go on. Select object version and the lowest version. We just use the default values, then press OK button. Oh my god, it's terrible. Some mistake or something wrong. Cannot initialize some com, so we don't create our static library on the Visual Studio 2020. We cannot do anything but press OK button to finish our action. It's horrible or it's terrible. It's terrible. Amazing. In our computer, there are two files have been created. One is ONC64 LAVS period VCXPLJX. Another is ONC64 LAVS period VCXPLJ period filters. But it's failed to build the project. The detail is deep backslash ONC64 backslash ONC64 LAVS ONC. The name is ONC64 LAVS period VCXPR Pro PLJ. Another is VC64 LAVS period VCXPLJ period filters. But it's failed, so we will erase or we will delete the whole folder created by Visual Studio 2020. Oh my god, it's terrible. Maybe there's some bug or some mistake on or computer. If you succeed, don't care. We just study how to build any project on the platform Visual Studio 2020. Don't care. You just do your best. Oh my God. In God we trust. Ladies and gentlemen, see you later.